Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you an easy dot puzzle to fool your friends. I'll be going over and showing you specifically how to do it with the answer to this dot puzzle in this very easy and simplistic, basic, straightforward tutorial. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So just to recap, this is an easy dot puzzle to fool your friends. I'll be showing you how to do it in this very easy tutorial. Let's get into this. So you want to start off by drawing 9 dots on a piece of paper, okay? Just like this. 3 by 3 by 3. It's a 3 by 3 square, 3 rows, 3 columns. Very simple, of dots, just like that, okay? So we got 3 rows and 3 columns of dots. It's going to look like that. And what you're going to do is you're going to ask your friend or friends to use only 4 straight lines without lifting the pencil or writing utensil off the paper and cover all the dots. And they're going to try and do their straight lines. They're going to try and do it, and it's most likely they're not going to get it. If they get it, they're probably a genius. But most likely they're not going to get it. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now, first and foremost, I'm going to turn this camera ever so slightly so I can get a little bit of a better angle like this, okay? I have my marker over here. And just for full fairness, I've done this many times in practicing for this video, but I do have the answer on the back here just in case I do forget what to do, just so you know. I think this marker's loose for some reason, but I'm going to do my best over here, okay? I had to redo this video a few times because I kept getting interrupted and stuff. So we're just going to get through this, okay? So essentially, you want to start off, when you're showing them, the answer to it, you want to start off in a lower corner. Okay, so I'm going to start off on the bottom right corner, and you're going to go up and across to the opposite corner. So I'm going to start in the bottom right corner over here, and line 1 is going to be up and across like this. Very simple. Okay, so line 1 is up and across like that. I'm going to make it a little bit of a thicker line. So up and across like this. Okay, I do apologize. Like I said, this is the best that I could do. Okay, so that's your line 1, like that. Very simple. Okay, line 2, you're going to go across the top now, but you're going to go out past that last dot. So line 2 is going to go like this, and you're holding your pen on the paper still, obviously. Line 2, you're going to go across the top, and you're going to go out past this over here, just like that, okay? So I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. Line 2 is across the top and out past that last dot, like that. That's your line 2. Very simple. Line 3, you're going to go down across, and you're going to do a weird cut across this one over here on the side and then at the bottom and continue going out. So line 3, I'm going to go down and across through this one on the side and through this one on the bottom, and I'm going to keep going out like that, okay? That's going to be your line 3. I'm just going to go ahead and make it a little bit darker. I do apologize. Like I said, this is the best that I could do. I'm stuck filming in the car today, and this is the best that I could do. And then line 4, very easy. You're going to go up and cover these 2 dots right here. So line 4, you go straight up, cover those 2 dots right there. Just like that. It's your line 4. And I'm going to make it nice and dark like that. And that's it. Your end result's going to look like that. You can go and cover this dot again, but then they might say, oh, you covered that dot twice. So, by going like this, you're going to get it. And it looks like an arrow, which is even cooler because then it's easy to memorize. That's why I didn't even really have to look at the back, because when you realize that it looks like an arrow, it's just easy to memorize. That's it. So it's obviously a misshaped arrow, but it looks like an arrow. And that's it. That is an easy dot puzzle to fool your friends, how to do it with the answer and sort of the question as well in this very simplistic tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.